Hi, my name is Rosalind and welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you feel you've fallen behind on your technical skills, on your digital life skills? Your children, your friends and your colleagues all know more about the internet and social media than you do, and there are certain things that you feel you're missing out on. That was me a few months ago, so I've upped my game. My channel is all about helping you too. On my channel, I will be posting videos showing you Apple products and their applications and how to use them, and also introducing you to social media apps so that you can implement all of these into your everyday life, whilst at the same time keeping abreast of new technology and trends. No more feeling embarrassed or frustrated, or not being familiar with the latest app or understanding the terminology other people are using. I will be posting new videos Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell to see new content. Also, please comment and introduce yourself below and let me know what you're looking forward to learning the most. So I'll see you soon. Bye.